made a video in like 6 days, basically a week. But I'm back now, and what I want to talk about today is my videos. Sorry I haven't been making a lot of more videos, but you will see more videos, especially through the weekend. Sorry that I haven't been making many videos because I go to school, my schedule is very busy, I have to study, I get very tired, and I mean busy, yeah, but I get very tired, and my head hurts, sometimes I have pain, head hurts and things like that, and I do make videos when I can or when I feel good enough to make them, but other than that, you won't see videos from me every day. You probably see them once a week, or I don't know. I don't really know when you're gonna see them. It just depends on how I feel. You will see a video pop up. Thanks for my subscribers. Thanks for everybody. Stay tuned and subscribe for more. Peace.